super admin, create user, rename user, unlock users, and so on. If you're not satisfied with the existing roles we have, click on the create new role, where you can find all the management activities of this thing. You have a create user, you have create user template, you have reset password, everything is listed here. At the same time, if you want the technician to be restricted on running a report, you can do that as well. You have to click on the any reports. It will list all the reports you have. Select the report that you want the technician to run, not all the reports, what it listed under the AD reports tab. So in my case, I want my technician wanting to create new users. At the same time, he should not create any exchange mailbox. You can see, I can select the attributes that I want my technician to be restricted, to be not restricted, and I can deselect the attributes that I want him to be restricted. Create user, and I want him to reset password, and then click on save role. See, I have created a new role according to my requirement that my user has only to create new users and he has to do the password reset. Let me show you how to assign this role to the technician. You have to click on the Headless Technicians tab and click on Add New Technician. Search for the user. Which user we want to assign this role? Click on OK and select the role that you have created. If you click on Choose, that will list all the roles you have created, the default roles, as well as the role that you have created just now. OUs. And this configuration is very important, because this is the place where you can restrict the technician based on that OU. So this pop-up window will list the preview of the Active Directory, where you can select the OU or select the OU that you want the technician to be restricted for. Impersonation. So here comes the huge difference. Which permission has to be taken if that technician is going to perform any operation on the native Active Directory. For example, if you don't want the technician's credential to be taken to do the task of reset password, instead, if you want the technician, if you want the credential to be taken that is configured to domain settings, you have to unselect this checkbox. And if you don't want that to happen, for example, it is a security constraint that only the user's privilege has to be taken to perform any operation. In that case, you can simply uncheck this checkbox. In most of the scenarios, it has to be selected, because there will be scenarios that the technicians will not be having any permission on the Active Directory, but he still has to perform these activities. So I'm checking this and click on Save Role. So what I did was, I have created a role of user creation, and I have added another management activity of doing a password reset. Then I have assigned him for running some set of reports. Then I have added that technician as a user as a technician. Now I'm going to show you how to log into the ADManager list with that user. And let me show you how the screen is going to be done. See, only the operation that I have restricted is what listed, and not the other information. And if I click on the reports, you can see only the reports that I have selected is what listed. So that's the Active Directory delegation part. So this is the best selling point. We still have a couple of features it takes time. So please let me know if you have any more questions. Okay, so we'll have a break now. Let's go for lunch and then we will finish the other use case on the workflow and the automation. So, yeah, if you have any questions, please come forward. Have a break for lunch. So, thank you so much for your participation, David. So, let's meet after the lunch.